500
grams.
Yeah, grams. Thank you, dear. May mga ano ako dito. Uy, mga... Hello guys, good morning. Magpapagupit si Frank. Sasamahan ko, guys. Come on here. Ang isa, oh. Come on, up. 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 She's ready. We're waiting for her papa na lang. At yung mga kids, guys, may ano ngayon doon sa aming place. Para siyang activity for the kids. Andun sila lahat. Andun sila at yung mga friends nila. And Francine is with us. Come on here. Say hi, hi. 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 Oh, hi. Hi. Waiting. I'm actually ready na. Si Frank na lang inaantay namin. Medyo malamig sa labas. Kaya, let's see. Going with you because you're always rushing.
Do I look good?
Yeah, but your hair.
Go to the hairdresser.
Yeah, hairdresser. It's going to the hairdresser.
But first,
They look good? So here they are.
did you video Francine yet?
No.
Because she's so beautiful too.
Show her. Hallo?
Ich mach das alleine. Papa, guck mal, was ich mache. Papa, ich habe gerade einen großen Kreis gemacht. Wow.
Look at that. See that one? See? Look at that. She's so amazing. And what was that? What was that?
Wer hat mich nass gemacht?
Wait, Ella, really big.
Oh. Jemand hat mich nass gespritzt. Jemand hat meine Haare nass gemacht. Ja.
Ella has that as well, spinner.
Gehen wir weiter?
Yeah, we don't need that spinner.
Anni, gehen wir weiter. No.
You won't need that.
I don't know.
That's used for erasers.
Come on.
Use that.
We stay here, okay?
Nee, die kommen mit.
They're going with us?
Yeah. So the cause of this event is to have the kids of the kindergarten and surrounding houses to let them have some activities like face painting and other games where they can win small toys and things like that. Here they are doing face painting. But our kids have no interest on that. They keep running ahead. So
Oopsie. What's in there? Yeah, the shoes.
it's actually a beautiful day for this.
It's going this way?
No, we go straight.
Okay. Can you go in front and look at her? Because she was so excited seeing the... There they are.
They look like our kids.
What are you doing?
Wir machen
It's
weiter.
okay. That's cool.
Okay. Hier, bitte.
How long you gonna...
No, just we can go on. Hey, wir laufen weiter, wir gehen zum Friseur, ne? Wenn du hier Langeweile hast, dann kommst du rüber, weißt du welchen Friseur, ne? Bei Alois.
Ja.
Alles klar. Ciao, viel Spaß.
What? Your stuff is with Frank. He's gonna throw that in a
Gonna sell it.
he's gonna throw that to the bin. No.
Papa, die Anni muss um 15 Uhr gehen.
Um 14 Uhr?
Nein, wenn das zu Ende ist, muss es gehen.
Um 15 Uhr?
Wenn es zu Ende ist, ja.
Kannst du nicht bei uns bleiben?
Ich kann meine Schwester fragen, dann ruft sie meine Mama an.
Okay, then we go.
Can you...
Another one?
She got a cake, cherry cake from the kindergarten. Is that yummy?
It's actually from the bakery.
From the bakery. Yeah. Cherry, yummy.
Very yummy.
And me, I'm having apple cake.
You want more? Yeah.
Where are you going? Are you going? Oops, no. No. No, no. No. No.
Yes.
Come on here. Back. Go back. Go back. Up. No. No. Looking good. Look.
Das Lightning.
No.
Ich kann nicht mehr fahren, ja.
Ich habe gedacht, wir wollten zu ihr.
Nein. Mal fragen, dass es so uns
Look at that, the bird. What the bird was doing.
Jawohl.
Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami galing sa bahay guys. And nag-grocery na naman kami. And this time guys, may resibo na ako. So I can show you the amount, the prices sa mga bilihin dito sa Germany. So,
Cheap store.
Aldi. Yeah, in Aldi. Sa Aldi
Discount.
talaga, sa Aldi talaga kami nag-shopping kasi mura siya at saka very affordable. So, pero this one, the toast, but this one I have problem now because how we gonna show the sauce. Sauce, the prices, pero ilalagay ko down below yung mga prices nito. Toast, I have again here toast. I have the jasmine rice. I think ito yung rice na binibili ko sa Aldi guys. So this is €1.99. So that is around 100 something sa Philippine money, and it's only 1 kilogram. And this one, may bago akong na-discover sa Aldi guys. I love this milk now. Milfina pa din siya, pero it costs, where is that? Here, 99 cents. So, around 50 something lang siya sa Philippine money. Again, I have banana here. This time guys, ang banana mura siya. 99 lang ang per kilo, but I paid for this I paid for it €1.28. Still mura siya for how 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 pieces. Pero mahal na siya no kung kwentahin mo sa Pilipinas mo. Sa Pilipinas ang mura na. You're drinking that. Sa Pilipinas ang mura lang ng saging. So again here, God, my note is
Did you
running.
show them egg?
Yeah, that's my new favorite now in
Philippines.
in Aldi. Masarap siya guys, kaya I like it. Normally guys, hindi ako bumibili ng onions na ganito. Gusto ko yung red onions para parang Pilipinas lang. Pero this time wala sila guys. And this cost €1.69. Pero madamihang gamit na to. And I have here the butter. Itong butter guys is... Magkano itong butter? Wait. What's the name of this? Stretch fine. Ang hirap hanapin ang presyo ba? €1.49. So that is around almost kuan lang. Mga 70 something or 80 pesos sa Philippine money. So, naka-outfit pa si Madam dito. Sprite. Sprite. Lagi kasi kami talagang may drinks guys. Kasi parang so 99 cents. So it's around 50 pesos sa Philippine money. And this meat is on sale. Normally €2.79 na siya. Memorize ko kasi basta sale. Memorize ko talaga. At I got this only for €1.99 ngayon. It's only half kilo, 500
Grams.
Yeah, grams. Thank you, dear. So I got I got 3 of them guys para lalagay namin sa freezer para yun, pang everyday na lutuin.
Everyday meat. How healthy.
Yeah, but we always eat vegetable here. And these sauces here, I showed you already this before na lagi kami nagsusauce dito. And this is 35 cents each. That he is eating salami here. Salami. I love that too. And this also 35 cents each. So, ano lang siya, mga 20 something sa, or 20 pesos sa Philippine money. What else there? Chocolates for the living room. Alpine-Milch, our all-time all-time paborito namin. So, this is 49 cents each. So, nasa 20 pesos lang siya at ang yummy na niya. 25 pesos.
The rest Francine is gonna keep. She's not gonna show it, no?
The broccoli, guys, it costs 79 cents. Around, ano lang siya, 79 cents is around below 58 pesos lang siya. Pero, mahal na siya, guys. Kasi sa atin sa Pilipinas, is, ang gulay, lalo na sa mga supermarket, sa wheat market, ang mura ng nitong mga gulay na to is so cheap in Philippines. Pero hindi mo siya hindi mo siya ano sa Pilipinas kasi ang money sa Philippines is different also. And I got again 4 liters of milk yesterday. Frank got a milk and now we have to get again we have to get again 4 liters of milk and this costs 70 cents.
70 something.
Yeah, 79 cents. This one. Aldi milk. Cheap, yummy, and affordable. So, that's all we got, guys. And this will only, as I said, guys, sa last haul ko, hindi kami weekly nag-go-grocery. Always kaming, wala kaming schedule na kung kailan kami mag-go-grocery. Especially kung wala ng milk. Kasi si Frank, mamamatay siya kung walang milk. May mga ano ako dito. Uy, mga... So, that's all we got, guys. And we are home now. So, I will cook. Ang video na to is mataas-taas na. So, I will end the video now. So, thank you all for watching. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye-bye and happy weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.
You see yourself there? Yeah. Nein. Francine, look at that. She's going on top of the table.
You want to put? Yeah, hello guys. Na hi guys. Na hi guys. Na hi guys. Hi guys. Na hi guys. Na hi guys. Na hi guys. She wants to grab it. Hi guys. Oh, where are you going? You take this.
It's a stage.
Ding 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 ding. Ding ding. You can use this for ballerina in Quinto. I looked there today and they have it again. The gymnastic koan. Ding 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 ding. Dance me dance. Hop little bunny, hop hop hop. Hop little bunny, hop hop hop. Rain rain go away. Come again another day. Francis, she knows this video. And down now. Down. She not behave.